Summertime means popsicles, and these popsicles are absolutely delicious for your dog. These are not human popsicles, these are for your pets. They can be cats or dogs. I've made recipes for waffles before. I made a birthday cake, I made a doggy ice cream. They are hugely popular, so I thought, why not make them a popsicle? These popsicles are really easy to make. You just blend everything together, and everything we're putting in is good for your dog or cat. So it's a berry popsicle. So we're going to start out with some mixed frozen berries. You can also use fresh berries. They don't have to be defrosted. Just put them straight in there. So the berries actually aid a dog's digestion. They are full of antioxidants, and they also boost the immune system. So those are all great things. Next up is some Greek yogurt. Now, for animals, cats or dogs, we want to make sure that it's low fat or it's fat free, because too much of a lot of fat will actually upset their stomachs. So we just want fat free or low fat. And obviously with your yogurt, please, no sweeteners, no added flavors. The benefits that these ingredients have are the same benefits for us, so that's how you can tell that they're good. Now, peanut butter. We love peanut butter. For animals, when you use it, please make sure that it's xylitol free. We don't want any of that, to make sure that it's safe for our pups and our cats. Next, we're going to add in banana. It's high in fiber and in vitamins. Great for animals. It's a healthy treat, and it's great as an alternative to high-fat treats. And lastly, we're going to add a little bit of water in here, and that's just going to loosen up our mix. Then all you have to do is blend it together until smooth. So just a reminder, if you're making these treats or any of my homemade dog treats, everything in moderation. Too much of anything would make anybody feel sick. So just small amounts for your pets, and that will work really well. So my dog Waffles, for those of you who don't know, is now 12 years old. When I got him, he was only 1. And I know back in the day, at the beginning of BBB, you saw a lot of him. You know, he's still around. He still has a lot of like pup energy. He still has a lot of fight in him. But he's an old man now. You know, he walks a little bit slower. His eyesight is not great. Neither is his hearing. He's still very well taken care of. Lovely, all blended up. To make life really easy for this recipe, I put it into a spouted jug to be able to move on to the next step. Otherwise, it gets a little bit messy. When I was going to make dog popsicles, I had a look around online, and I wanted mine to be like really cute. So I came up with this great idea to use little Dixie cups and little bones for the sticks, which I thought was just so cute. So I'm going to divide this mixture between 8 Dixie cups. So often with my recipes, I say some of them are versatile and you can mix up the ingredients. If you're going to mix up the ingredients for this recipe, please make sure that they're safe for animals to consume, because the last thing we want to do is upset their tummies. We've all been there. Now for our bones. I use little milk bones. You can use any of your favorite little dog biscuits. We're just going to pop them just into the top there. So now, how practical is it to put the dog bone in there thinking that the dog is going to hold it with their paws? It's not practical at all, but yes, it is adorable. So that's what we're going to do. This mixture is nice and thick, so they should stay still. Ta-da! So once the little bones are in there, it's time to go straight into the freezer. So freeze your popsicles for around 4 to 5 hours or so. They don't take long. Now, they can stay in your freezer for up to 4 weeks, no problem. You could eat them straight away once they're frozen. This recipe is definitely for the whole family. The kids can get involved in making it, and the pets get to enjoy it. And they really look gorgeous. They're all great ingredients that benefit your dogs and cats. These are fantastic on those hot summer days when your dogs just can't beat the heat. This will definitely cool them down. But don't take my word for it. Let's go see if Waffles likes them. If your pets like this recipe, then definitely check out my other homemade dog treats. I really hope you enjoyed this fun doggy popsicle video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you back here again really soon. What do you think, Waffles? Been nice?